This video will be sharing a bodyweight conditioning routine for cardio and strength endurance, but first a bit about why it's so important. So this type of training that intersperses whole body dynamic movements with more specific body part strength exercises gets your heart rate up pretty high quickly and simulates what happens in sports and other athletic activities. It's a great time-efficient way to improve your conditioning. So you see rows start here with 3 bodyweight squats, and that's going to be something you come back to in between each other exercise. You start here with jumping forward and backward hops with a good rhythm. Swing your arms back and forth. Again, the pace where you can find a smooth, controlled, steady rhythm. The next are sideways jump lunges. Look how she controls where her knee position is. You are trying to do good dynamic work, but still keep good form. Now we go on to the upper body, and these are side-to-side push-ups where you shift over so you can emphasize how much weight you're putting on one arm, but still do it smoothly so you complete the push-up. And the last combination movement to end the circuit is hollow body to Superman, which are alligator rolls. So again, reach with your hands, reach with your feet to get a nice long body. Control where you are. You roll from one side, go back, roll to the other.